From August 20th to August 22nd, there was Tokyo International Conference 9 that happened in Yokohama. We visited different companies that showed their solutions that can be used and applied in Africa. The first company we spoke to was Excelsior. They produce tablets and other treatments that can be used to kill bacteria in waste.
And then kill the bacteria now. It's changed like in a powder, sawdust form. You can touch this. Yeah. And this after treatment material can get back to the soil.
So it's degradable.
Yeah, incredible.
Okay.
How much do you sell it for?
And
Like
independent on the 250 yen.
Oh, the whole packet. Only 150 yen, like
Yeah,
the whole
yeah.
packet.
These treatments can be used either in disaster, like when earthquake happens in Japan, people don't have access to water for cleaning, so they can use this treatment, and it can also be used in war zone or any areas that don't have access to enough water for sanitation.
And this tablet absorb the water quickly.
Okay.
And I want to show you the demonstration. And then kill the bacteria and the viruses. And get rid of a bad odor.
I see.
Yeah.
Ooh. So it's full.
Yeah.
So, it looks so interesting. So
Yeah. Then this tablet form changes like sawdust form, like this.
Okay.
And you can touch this.
Ooh.
Including water. And then we focus on nowadays waste liquid from the hospital.
Oh, okay.
Maybe you can imagine like this bottle to collect the waste liquid.
I see.
This bottle is Japanese hospital.
Okay.
This bottle is in the Uganda. And you can find this bottle, the liquid color, like black, because this liquid is including human waste.
I see.
In the storeroom, something sometimes happen to some people. Human waste stuck in their
Yes, true.
Yeah. And this is in the Uganda hospital, including the human blood.
I see.
Yeah. And then our tablet can treat the both of type, both of situation.
Okay.
But the one thing is there's something different from Japan and Uganda. What's difference is Uganda is so weak in sewage system. Almost the sewage system can't work.
Yes, I see.
And the liquid to go down to the basement water. Yeah. So the technology, one more thing is can this after this material can return to the soil. If we apply earthworm compost, earthworm decompose perfectly, safely. This material, everything decomposed by earthworm.
Yes.
Yeah. We thinking now, we're planning now. If they're using in the hospital in Africa, and then there's something like a box living in an earthworm, not by earthworm compost. They can throw away after this material to the earthworm compost box.
Okay. Oh.
Everything is perfect.
Okay. Interesting.
Yeah, and our tablet can prevent the infection This is ball from my mouth. Yeah. I think our technology can use in face, mouth, or and human waves performance. Yeah. This tablet can use like this situation. Yeah.
Interesting. So like
Yeah.
interesting. So like the one you have in Africa, is it like do you train them to use it, or is it Japanese people going there and doing the? Do you train the people in Africa?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All for and preventing infection. Hygienist in yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Compared with like the JICA. Yeah.
Hospitals only.
No. Our tablet can use for like this situation, the toilet.
Everywhere, anywhere.
Yeah.
Even household.
Oh yeah. We demonstrated in Mongolia, Kyrgyzstan, and Bolivia. They're the fake.